Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that's out of this world. We've got a fascinating show lined up for you, so grab a cup of your favorite space-themed coffee and get ready to blast off into the latest news from the cosmos. Honda has just announced a partnership with QuantumScape, a leading developer of solid-state batteries, to produce battery prototypes at its facility in Sakura City, Japan. This move could potentially double the range of current electric vehicles and make them more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. Solid-state batteries are a game-changer because they replace the liquid electrolyte found in traditional lithium-ion batteries with a solid material, which enhances safety, energy density, and charging speed. They also eliminate the risk of leakage and fires, making them a much safer option for drivers. But Honda isn't the only company investing in solid-state battery technology. Several major manufacturers, including Nissan, Toyota, BMW, and Volkswagen, are also racing to develop this technology and bring it to market. In fact, some companies, like Chinese manufacturer CALB, have already begun mass-producing semi-solid-state batteries for use in light commercial vehicles. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, the development of solid-state battery technology is becoming increasingly important. It's a crucial step towards making EVs more competitive with traditional gasoline-powered cars and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. We'll be keeping a close eye on this developing story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. For now, it's clear that the future of electric vehicles is looking brighter than ever, and we can't wait to see what's in store. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. Imagine strolling down a bustling street lined with timber-trimmed shops and enticing window displays that showcase an array of delectable treats. From flaky croissants to decadent chocolate cakes, Melbourne's baking scene is a treasure trove of flavors and textures. Let's take a look at some of the standout bakeries that have made it to the prestigious list of 100 essential cafes and bakeries of 2026. We have Vandals, where Chef Sean Quaid's finely tuned palate has created a loyal following for his pies with soaring puff pastry lids and salted chocolate cookies. Then there's Zelda, a fun-sized bakery that's packed with an assortment of goodies like cheese and jalapeno pretzels, sour cream coffee crumble cake, and babka braided with rich chocolate. Other notable mentions include To Be Frank, where you can watch the magic of pastry lamination through the window of their open kitchen, and Urbanstead, a light-filled corner bakery that's become a hub for community gatherings and exceptional baked goods. Of course, no list would be complete without Elka, which offers an impressive selection of treats, and The Flower House, where you can indulge in hand pies plump with silver beet and ricotta. Whether you're a foodie, a local, or just visiting Melbourne, these bakeries are sure to satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. So, if you ever find yourself in this vibrant city, be sure to check out some of these amazing bakeries and experience the best of what Melbourne has to offer. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of our universe and the complexities of our world. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded that the cosmos is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Imagine a universe where the laws of gravity don't apply and the rules of economics are bent and twisted. This is the world of high-stakes investing, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. At the heart of this universe is a phenomenon known as the wealth gap, a chasm that is growing wider by the day, separating the haves from the have-nots. Now, you might be wondering what this has to do with the stars. Well, my friends, the truth is that the wealth gap is like a black hole. It warps the fabric of our economy, creating distortions and unpredictabilities that can affect us all. And just as astronomers use specialized tools to study black holes, we need to use our own tools to understand the complex forces driving the wealth gap. One of these forces is artificial intelligence. Like a supernova exploding in the distance, AI is transforming our world at an incredible pace. But as with any powerful force, there are risks and uncertainties associated with it. Some experts warn that the concentration of wealth in AI-related companies could lead to a catastrophic event, a recession that would send shockwaves throughout the global economy. So what can we do to navigate this treacherous landscape? One approach is to diversify our investments, spreading our risk across different asset classes and industries. It's like creating a cosmic portfolio where we allocate our resources to different celestial bodies, some stable and predictable, others more volatile and high risk. Another strategy is to seek out expert advice, like consulting with a seasoned astronomer who can help us chart the stars. In this case, we can turn to financial experts who have spent years studying the markets and identifying trends and patterns. And finally, we can explore alternative assets like fine art, which has been shown to be a stable and reliable store of value over time. It's like collecting rare celestial objects, each one unique and precious in its own way. As we conclude today's Star Chat, remember that the world of finance is full of mysteries and wonders waiting to be explored. By being informed, adaptable, and open-minded, we can navigate even the most turbulent of cosmic landscapes. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.